We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what I'm about, and that you will click that subscribe button and of course the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So guys, as the title suggests, I'll be doing a live update today. Just a short little brief something yana because I've been away from my channel for maybe about a month. And the reason behind that is because, yeah, time, scheduling, stuff like that. Because your girl is an employed hun. Yes, I started a new job. Yeah, like I said, this is my 3rd week, so 3 weeks ago. And it's been quite something. For those who don't know, I've never been the type to want to work and do like an office type job. It's just never been my dream, it's never been my thing, and it was never really something that I was open to doing. But I guess, I don't know, priorities change, life changes, and maybe growing up, I don't know, but I decided to just take the plunge and, you know, go on and be your 8 to 5 girl. So yeah, I have a new job. How has that been? It's been different. It's been very different. It's been quite the stretch for me. You know, I decided, let me take this plunge, let me give it a try and see how it goes. And yeah, basically, okay, I'm not gonna say too much about what the job is, but it's definitely not in my field. It's definitely not something that I studied, but I'm excited for the stretch. I'm excited for the experience because, you know, of late I've just been like trying to try out new things and stretch myself and allow myself to just experience different things and be open to being uncomfortable, be open to being just not in my comfort zone, be open to trying and exploring different things and just seeing what else do I have to offer, what else can I do, what else can I, you know, try out. So this is one of the things that I've just been like, you know what, let me give it a try and see how it goes. And so far what I've learned in, yeah, it's only been 3 weeks, is that it's so different from what I'm used to. Definitely like super different from what I'm used to. First of all, I'm not naturally a morning person. So waking up every morning, having to get to work and, you know, dress up and do my makeup and all of that, it's quite the challenge. Secondly, just the thought of working for somebody else. I've always had my own schedule. I've always been working a schedule beside me, and you know, it's different to now have to answer to someone else. So it's quite something. But like I said, it's only been 3 weeks, so I'm sure that, you know, a lot of the dynamics will change, but I'm excited to meet new people, to get to know new people, to get to know different personalities, expose myself to new experiences, like I said, and just to stretch myself. And one of the things that I want to encourage you watching this is, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone sometimes. There's a lot that you can discover about yourself, about life in general, about people in general, when you just step out of what you're used to, when you step out of what you're comfortable in, what you're comfortable with. Be open to new experiences, be open to trying out something that you naturally wouldn't be drawn to. There's a lot that you can learn outside of your comfort zone, so be open to that. Be open to new things. And yeah, that's basically what has been happening. That's the biggest change in my life right now. So I've been adjusting. I've just been adjusting. I've already had issues where I was not feeling well. My body was definitely reacting to the changes. My mind as well, my mindset, just getting used to the new environment, getting used to, just having that new girl experience. It's quite something. And like I said, it's not in my field, so I'm learning stuff. It's a stretch. It's definitely a stretch, but I'm excited to see what's gonna happen in this new chapter of mine. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. Change is good. Change is good. So anyway, guys, that's why I've been away. That's why I haven't been uploading, because in terms of just schedules, it's quite difficult for me to juggle everything, because I'm always just like tired, and on weekends I'm just like, I just want to rest. So, but anyway, I think I'll find my groove again, and I'll start to upload more consistently once I've figured myself out. But yeah, I thought I should update you guys and let you know what's going on. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do look out for new videos. I'm not gonna promise when they're gonna come out, but you will get content as often as possible. In the comment section, please let me know your first job experience. I would definitely love to hear what your experiences were. I think I'll do another video, maybe actually, where I just talk a little bit more in depth about my experience and stuff like that so far, and just what I'm going through and stuff. But do share in the comment section. Let me know, how was your first job experience, whether it was with a job or an attachment or an internship. Just how was it for you? What was it like in those first few weeks, first few months, first year? And any tips for me, guys, because I could do with a whole lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up to let me know. Like I said, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. Share this video with somebody and let them know that we are here and they should join us next time. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.